In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a live webinar in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a clean working webinar funnel ready to customize and publish. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel account and make sure you're in the correct location if you manage more than one. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Sites. This is where all your web assets live. Next, open the Funnels section. Funnels let you string together pages like registration, confirmation, and thank you, so the webinar experience is seamless. Click the New Funnel button. You'll see a few different ways to build. There's from blank, which is perfect if you want full control from scratch. There's Build with AI, which can speed up copy and layout. For this example, we'll use from templates so we can start with a proven structure and move quickly. After selecting that path, click Continue to move into the template library. Here you can browse categories if you prefer to explore designs by use case. It's a handy way to discover layouts built for lead capture, events, and more. If you know what you want, use the search bar at the top. Type webinar and press enter. You'll now see templates geared toward live events and registrations. Pick a design that matches your brand and flow, then click Choose. You may be prompted to name your funnel. Use something descriptive like Live Webinar Topic Date, so you can find it easily later. Once created, you'll land in the funnel builder where you can edit each page. Update the registration page first, swap the headline, add your live date and time, outline key takeaways, and make the call to action crystal clear. Check the form fields and ensure they capture exactly what you need. If you use tags or workflows for reminders, attach them to the form submission here so confirmations and reminders fire automatically. On the thank you page, confirm the date, include calendar links, and add any pre-webinar instructions or a short teaser video if you have one. Open the settings for each page to set SEO titles, descriptions, and the page path. Assign a custom domain if you've connected one, and keep slugs short and memorable. Preview the funnel pages and test on mobile to make sure everything looks great on smaller screens. When you're happy, click Save and Publish. Finally, run a quick end-to-end test by opting in with a test email to confirm that the registration, thank you redirect, and notifications are all working. That's it. Your live webinar funnel in GoHighLevel is set up and ready for traffic.